Hey friends, welcome to my blog Sahla Parveen, and today I'm going to speak about a beautiful topic. Okay, so as we all know, we have reached 1 lakh subscribers. I had posted a video about that. So many asked me how much income do I make from YouTube. So today's video I'm going to say the exact amount of how much I have earned from YouTube. So now I am not a full-time YouTuber, so I don't make so much of income nor I don't work so much for YouTube, but definitely YouTube is a good passive income source. Okay, so for me, I actually started monetizing from last year. Now it's like from around from the time COVID started only. I started making videos more consistently for YouTube, like once in a week. Sometimes I do take a break of like 2 to 3 weeks, but still I am almost consistent in making videos. Okay, now one difficulty what I faced in my channel to grow is I started doing videos in Malayalam in this channel. So more Malayalis were there in this channel for initial stage, and all of a sudden changed to English. So a lot of people actually left the channel, or the growth became slow because the video mostly goes to the Malayali audience, and sometimes it got rejected. But why I converted this channel to English is because I am planning to write more of books. I really love writing, so I'm planning to launch books, new books, and also books for toddlers and everything. Also in Malayalam, also I will be launching the books. But first launch, or I am writing actually in English and I make it translation into Malayalam. So for this reason, I thought I want to speak to international audience, so it is much easier for me to reach everyone if I speak in English. But by the grace of God, I have a lot of wonderful people from all around the world who are watching this channel, and I'm very very happy about it. Okay, now back to how much income I make. Okay, if I say the exact amount, I don't make much income, but around 10,000 to 12,000 in a month I do get from YouTube from last 1 year, and I feel that is actually a quite good amount after COVID started. Till then I was like, it's very small amount, but now we started realizing the value of money much more. So I think that actually I keep it more as a saving or an emergency amount, which is important for us. So for the people who want to start a YouTube channel, my advice for those people is, or my opinion or my suggestion about it is that um, don't make a YouTube channel just because you want to make money. That's going to be really difficult. But what I want you to do is, find out a niche inside you, something unique or something you want to give the world, or something that is special inside you. Okay, if you want to showcase that to the world, start a YouTube channel and create contents for it, something genuine, something that's coming from inside. Okay, and maybe it's something you have seen from someone else or got the knowledge from someone else. It's okay, but present it in your style. Like, all the stories what I say is not the stories that I have manufactured myself. Many stories are my own, but many are the things that I have heard from someone else. I got inspired, but I do present it in my style. So whenever you make something your own channel, do something unique, special, and like, I like lifestyle vlogs, I like home tour vlogs, or anything that can actually give a positive vibe to the world. That is a best option to do. And I always suggest, don't make a lot of news channels and always reporting all the negative channels. Like, recently in Malayalam channels, we can see why two actors got divorced. All these topics are irrelevant, and when we keep on listening to that topics, we start getting negative, more and more negative. So avoid all that topic. We are always curious about the problems that is happening in others' life. But I want to say is, if you are solving your own problems and giving something beautiful to the world, I think world is also going to give you back this. So if I tell, from my YouTube channel, I would have made all around 1.5 lakh by all this, 3 years. But okay, 1 year only I started monetizing, but this is the actual amount I have made from my YouTube channel, and I believe it is quite a good passive income, because we keep doing it. Only you have to do a video once, and people keep on watching it all the time. So that's quite good actually. So anyone who have something special inside them, like this is a beautiful platform where common people can come and showcase their ideas. Like me, how I got so much of friends, so much of people all around the world is because I got this platform to talk. So that is actually a good thing. So that's it. Thank you so much. Love you all.